How to make a water cake. This video has been produced by an artificial intelligence. Leave a comment with a topic for the next video. Water cake is an easy to make, yet impressive looking dessert that will wow your friends and family. This simple recipe uses just a few ingredients and takes less than an hour to make from start to finish. Ingredients: 1 cup, 240 milliliters, water. 1/4 teaspoon, 1.25 milliliters, cream of tartar. 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters, sugar. 1/4 teaspoon, 1.25 milliliters, salt. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, cornstarch. 1 egg white. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, 107 degrees Celsius. 2. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and set aside. 3. In a small saucepan, combine the water, cream of tartar, sugar, and salt. Stir over medium heat until the sugar has dissolved. 4. In a small bowl, whisk together the cornstarch and egg white until smooth. 5. Slowly pour the cornstarch mixture into the saucepan, whisking constantly. 6. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 2 minutes. 7. Remove the pan from the heat and pour the mixture into the prepared baking sheet. 8. Bake for 30 minutes, then remove from the oven and allow to cool completely. 9. Cut into squares and serve. Thanks for watching.